My name is Leslie. You are watching All Things Paranormal. Yes, I am sick, but I'm still filming. Tonight's episode, we are in the middle of the woods, where 6 months ago, I came out here to film, where we got a ton of messages from a ghost named Alice, which was leading us to Baton Rouge, some Hampton, Baton Rouge. It's a mystery still that we're trying to unfold, and a mystery that I'm definitely happy to be led on. We have questions, and the spirits want answers. So tonight, Rhonda and I are back. But we're gonna figure this thing out together. We have the SB11, we have the SB7, we have an EMF reader, and we have our new ghost app, which I'm so happy to introduce to you guys tonight. As always, stay tuned, join us. Hey guys, we have reached our destination. We're gonna use the SB11. But first I wanna tell you guys, I am sick. If you have any kind of sicknesses, whether it be a cold, illness, a disease, or whatever it is, do not, it's imperative that you do not contact the spirit world, because you never know what is going to come about on the other side. You might be trying to talk to your deceased grandmother or a loved one, or whatever it may be, but you never know what is going to appear to you. With that being said, if it is something of negative, evil, or demon, it can and it will leech off of that. It will leech off your sicknesses. So I'm telling you, it is very important not to do what I'm doing. I have been sick for 2 weeks. I've had 2 different shots. My body is just not beating it right now. But I'm gonna come out of it. I love filming. I love the paranormal. So whether I'm sick or I'm not, this is what I love doing. Also, my protection for the night is my witch's rosary. I had it custom made and shipped from Europe. It's got obsidian beads, the black obsidian beads, with my ancestor crystal on the bottom of it. I either wear it outside of my shirt, a lot of times on film. I wear it inside my shirt, you won't see it. Or I wear my obsidian rings, but tonight I don't have it. So please, you don't have to worry about me. I'm pretty protected tonight. We're gonna use the SB11. It's white noise, so we don't know what we're gonna get. And last time I was here, we got spirits that were not very kind. So I just wanted to warn you ahead of time and let you know, yes, I'm sick, I'm putting myself in a little danger, but I know what I'm doing because I love what I do. Alright you guys, let's get started with this bad boy. We're also gonna use the EMF reader along with the SB11. See if we can get anything to spike. And I'm gonna be the lightning rod tonight.
Should we do it right there or go up to 200?
Something just went off.
You did?
It went off. It did.
I thought I seen it.
Spirit! Sir Alice here? Dude, this is going off. That was the spirit. Alice! We came back for you.
Are you here?
I want to speak to you about a message that you gave to me 6 months ago.
Is that a light coming back here? Oh, that's the building. Oh, Lord. I'm spooked out, y'all. It's creepy. Are there any spirits here with us? Come through this box. We feel you. Don't be afraid to talk.
I want to channel, but I'm worried because of me being sick that they can attach themselves in some sort of way and linger there for a minute. Alice! Can you hear us?
Wait.
Who's the blonde lady? We're going to put the SB11 at rest and pull out the SB7 because we're not getting any communication with it. But Check out the EMF reader. It's going off.
We get more on here. Do we have any spirits here with us? How many spirits are here with us? Can you give us a number, please? Do we have any Native Americans here? My ancestors.
Who's the blonde lady that I saw earlier in my vision? Is that Alice?
Alice, are you there?
Alice?
We come in peace. We mean no harm.
Yes, Rhonda?
Don't.
Zach? Was it Zach? Okay, it was Alice, do you remember me? I came out here 6 months ago and was talking to you.
No. My name is Rhonda, and that is Leslie.
Give me a sign that you're here.
Can we get a sign?
Can you spike the EMF reader to orange, please?
Yes, can you make that go off for us, please? At least get it to green, but orange or red would be awesome. Can you do that for us? Thank you for that.
Yeah, I got you.
Can you do it, pull a little more energy to make that go to red or orange for us, please?
Why would you do something that's crazy? I know this is insane. Pull that.
Can you please spike this for me?
Use me for energy. Make the EMF reader light up to orange.
We can hear you.
Before. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna channel myself. I hear the owl. This spirit's a little high. Use me as a lightning rod. Channel through me and light up the EMF reader to orange. No?
Why is it not going off when I get quiet?
I like it.
You like it? Well, touch it, please. Go by it. So we
Come
can
on.
feel your energy. We can see your energy. My bad.
Come on. I can see the man walking through the woods towards me. He's scared to come because he doesn't want to be in that light. And he's standing behind the cameras. Tall, 6'2",
What is your name, sir?
black, brown hair, brown hair.
Can you give us your name, please?
Jeans. T-shirt. I'm trying to see the color of the t-shirt. Brown t-shirt.
How did you die, sir?
If you're not gonna come to me, I'm gonna come to you. What did you say?
I said don't do that.
I'm not afraid.
Can you please come through, touch this, make it go off for us?
Oh. The man's got some kind of... It's silver and he wants to throw it. A boomerang? A knife? That's his voice through that spirit box. Come on.
How many spirits do we have here with us right now? Can you give me a number?
I can see you.
I thought I heard somebody talking right there.
I see him. It is
I just heard a man.
That's the man that I'm describing to you, Rhonda. He's over here. 6'2", brown hair, brown shirt, blue jeans. He's got like the silver knife or boomerang in his hands. It's like you could throw it at somebody and it will like stab you, do some kind of damage. It doesn't want to come out because of the lights right here.
What, he's got on jeans?
Yeah. And what I'm seeing right here is like it's a whole bunch of white fog. And he's like he's right here. My eyes are watering.
Can you meet me? Sir?
That was his voice coming through that spirit box.
Huh?
You hear like
Rustling.
Sorry, when I pick up spirits, my gift is like I can pick up spirits. It's hard for me to speak because I'm so in tune with what they're doing that it's hard for me to focus on humans. But I can hear footsteps like, it sounds like this. I don't know if they can hear that on camera, but like, hey, there's leaves like, it's like it's walking through the leaves. What is your name? Billy, Brandon, it's a B. He's walking back into the darkness, like he's going back into the woods. I'm actually about to go back there in a second. We're gonna take the, she's got an app on her phone. What is it called?
Necrophonics.
Necrophonics. It's like the Necronomicon book, but they turned it into a spirit box, a white noise.
Necromancy, get it?
Necromancy.
Necrophone, phonics, yeah.
So we're gonna use that, and I'm gonna go ahead and find Billy, because I don't know his name. I just know I'm picking up a Billy, a Brandon. It starts with a B. So we're about to go into the woods, follow the spirit that I'm seeing in my vision, and use this app. I'm starting to stutter.
You stuttering?
I don't stutter. Alright, let's go find Billy.
That's going off. Look.
Yeah.
My phone ain't close to it. Look.
It's hyenas?
Hi. Hello. Would you like to communicate with us?
Billy.
Alice?
Yes.
I am. David. It's my brother. David. David who?
You hear that?
Do y'all want to speak with us?
Rhonda. Something's coming.
Let's go.
Something is coming. Wait. Don't go yet. stopped right when you said,
Let's go.
wait, no.
No, let's go.
Hold on.
Give me.
Wait.
Give me. I'm gonna go.
Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
You should have never said that. I'm out of here.
Hold on. Because I don't know if it's human or if it's an animal. Not human, but ghost.
Okay, well, it's
I'm
not
listening
there.
to see if it stopped. It had to have been that guy that I was seeing. Because it stopped. As soon as you said, let's go, it stopped. All right, let's turn the app back on. And she's still wearing the necklace. I'm not. Who was walking through the woods just now?
There's someone over there in the woods. Are we safe here? Do we have protection around us? Phone. Alice, are you here? Do you remember Leslie? You said the guy was an older man?
Since
Leslie?
30s.
Oh.
36.
Who's the guy Leslie seen a little bit ago? Jeans? Blue color shirt?
Brown
White
shirt.
brown shirt? Jeans? Dark hair?
Dark brown hair.
Me, who are you? Who's me?
All those animal sounds we heard stopped.
What she said?
That's not English. Dead something. Hey.
Yeah, wait a minute.
Dear? Who wants to speak to me? Who's speaking Latin? Stop talking. Demon? I know what entity is out here. I'm familiar with it. What's his name? Jesus? What's making my finger go numb? He said I should have stopped.
That's what it said?
Who's out here with me? It said bears. It's mocking you. Like it? Who likes it, me or you? Speak English. Where's Alice?
You got a kid.
There's no kid out here. You're mockery. You are a mockery. Last time I was here, I reviewed footage of you sounding just like my middle child. You. Do not make a mockery out of me. Show me a sign that you're here. Now.
Touch this box.
You have enough power to come through the box and speak to us. You have enough power
Just went to
to
orange.
rustle through the woods. What else can you do?
Light it up. Light this up.
You forget I have that gift of sight. I can see you. Light? No lit? You want the dark, don't you? Not while I'm filming. What? Let's give them what they want. What happens if we cut the light? What happens if I cut the light? You gonna show me how powerful you are? You come? Is that what you said? Mad? I have no quarrel with you. We're here to find out why you're still here. See? It said Z. Like, when you play Ouija board and you have Zozo and ZZ, it's like the same thing. It's the same entity. It's pretty dark and it's ancient. It comes through white noise, too. White noise is just like a Ouija board.
It's killing my arm.
I feel like I'm about to start coughing to death. So because it's starting to play in my sickness, I'm going to have to go.
It's messing with you.
That's going to wrap up our investigation for tonight. I'm sorry if it may seem like I was a little aggressive with the spirits. The entity that's here, he and I have long history. I have so many questions I still haven't had answers. And I know Rhonda thinks they were kind of playing a part in my sickness. So with that being said, we're going to call it a night. Thanks for watching as always. Till next time, stay tuned and join us.